All right, today's Thursday. We're starting with rhyme production. That means you'll be making your own rhymes to the words that we say. Okay, let's start with me, we. Some words that rhyme with me and we are see, be, me, tea, a lot of them. Okay, drop, pop. You might have thought of something like drop, pop, mop, sop, top, lop. Okay, next one. Bun, sun. It's a little bit of a hard one. Bun, sun, ton, fun, run. There's a couple. Okay, last one. Fine line. That's a hard one too. Fine line, mine, twine. Dine. All right. We're moving on to onset fluency. That's the beginning sound. I'll say 2 words. You repeat 2 words. Give me a thumbs up if they begin with the same sound. Thumbs down if they don't. Edge, exit. Yep, they both begin with eh. Lamp, map. I hope you gave me a thumbs down. Bird, boy. Yep, buh. Desk, wolf. Paint, pan. Puh. Good. Okay, we're going to blend them. I'll do it first, and then you do it. At, cat. Oh, you do it. Almost forgot. Man. Ag, tag. Van. Nap. Okay, great job. Now we're isolating that final sound, the ending sound. Said. Your turn. Give. Look. Buzz. Cross. Okay, good job. We're segmenting phonemes, so get your choppers out. I'll do it first and you copy me. Bug, b, g. Pup, p, up. Hug, h, g. Bun. Nut. T. Okay, good job. I'm going to add a phoneme to the beginning. We're starting with id. Add d to the beginning to make d, id, did. We have ip. Add z to the beginning to make zip. We have it. Add h to the beginning to make hit. We have ig. Add W to the beginning to make wig. We have M. Add H to the beginning to make him. Good job. Now we're going to delete that initial phoneme. We have the word bug without B. What's left? Ugh. We have the word pup without P. What's left? Up. We have the word hug without H. What's left? Ugh. We have the word bun without B. What's left? Un. We have the word nut without N. What's left? Ut. Good job. Okay, next we're going to substitute phonemes. That means I take it away and change it with another one. We have the word dog. Change D to F. And what's the word? Fog, fog. We have the word fog. Change F to ul. And what's the word? Log. We have the word log. Change ul to H. And what's the word? Hog. We have the word hog. Change H to J. And what's the word? Jog. We have the word jog. Change J to D. And what's the word? Dog. Good. And we have our nursery rhyme, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny. Hot cross buns. If your daughters don't like them, give them to your sons. Hot cross buns. All right. I would think those daughters would like them. I love rolls.